and Boolean algebra. Okay. Has anybody heard this word before? Hmm? Yes, girls. Have you heard this word before? Lattices.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have done little bit in 12th, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So let us start from a set first of all. What is a set? What is a set according to you?
Set of elements.
What is a set? You are saying set of elements. Okay. Yeah. The topics and all. Let me just ask you, what is Boolean? What it deals with? Hmm? What do you mean by Boolean?
Ma'am, it's a
You have
computer
used.
language.
It's a computer language, so basically it consists of what? You use it in electronics as well,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Yes. So it consists of zeros and ones, right? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
In logic,
Yes.
I think I did not explain to you the meaning of how we can interpret circuits using conjunction and disjunction. And means series, right? Or means they are parallel. Zero means circuit switching off is zero, switching on is one, right? So this
Yes,
Boolean
ma'am.
algebra is very, very important for other subjects also. You will find many applications of Boolean algebra in other science subjects. Okay, that's why we thought that year, so that the computer science students will get benefit of that, and they will, it will be easier for them to understand other subjects. Okay, is a structure. We are basically talking about two structures in mathematics, lattices and Boolean algebra. So it starts, everything starts with a set. So what is a set basically? Don't say set of elements. I'm asking you definition of set.
Collection of objects.
Collection of something.
Is it only a collection of objects? It is well defined of objects, right? You define it, right? Set is a well defined collection of objects. For example, I can say set of all even integer between 1 and 20. So I will have E as 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on up to 20, right? This is a set. Are you getting it? Well defined. You
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
give certain definition while collecting the elements. Okay, I can have a set of I can have set of in the word lattice. Okay, so W may be L A T I C. and E is also there, right? Do I need to repeat T as it appears in the word lattice itself?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, not necessary. Okay, the same this thing I can write as TLICA. Sir, same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, same. Okay. So all of you understand what is a set?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we are going to have product of two sets. Can you tell me product of two sets? Suppose I have set A, say A, B, C, and I have another set B, 1, comma 2. So what product of A and B?
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide? Yeah, ma'am, done.
Yes. What is Cartesian product? I will make it more this thing. We call it as Cartesian product. Product or Cartesian product, both are same. So can you tell me what is A cross B? How do you find A cross B?
Ma'am, can I list the elements?
Yeah, tell me. I will write.
Every
A,
element of
A, comma,
set.
ma'am, it's A, comma 1, then B, comma 1, then C, comma 1, then A, comma 2, B, comma 2, and C, comma 2.
Correct. Okay. Or one can write as A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. All are same. Okay. Absolutely fine. So every element of A cross B, it's called as an ordered pair. Why it is called as an ordered pair? Can you tell me why the name ordered pair is given? It is a pair, right? When how many elements I'm having? A comma 1. How many elements I have here?
2.
2. So it is pair, right?
Yes.
2
Yes,
is
ma'am.
pair. But why I'm calling it as ordered? Because they are ordered. A comes
Yes,
from
ma'am, because
A
A
comes from
first and
A.
B. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
and 1 comes from B, and I am having Cartesian product as A cross B. When I write A cross B, then capital A should come first, and element from capital B should come in the second position. That's why the ordered pair word is very important. Okay, have you all understood this? Now,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set. What do you mean by cardinality of a set? We will elaborate this Cartesian product. What do you mean by cardinality of a set? Number of elements in the set. Okay. elements in the so and it is denoted by mod A. So cardinality is denoted by modulus. So mod A means what? How many elements are there in A?
3 elements, ma'am.
3 elements.
3 of A is 3. Cardinality of B is okay. What is cardinality of how many elements you have in A cross B?
6.
You have 6
6
elements, which
pairs.
I can write
It's
as 3
ordered
into
pairs.
2. Which I can write as 3 into 2, right? So cardinality of A cross B is nothing but cardinality A into cardinality B. Okay? Write it quick.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Your screen is not visible, ma'am. What you have written after modulus A. Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, फटाफट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
So now let us come to the definition of Cartesian product. Okay? Definition of Cartesian product. Pooja, my lecture starts at 9:20. You have joined at 9:36. Why you are so late? I will not admit you after certain time. Please remember this. Yes, so Cartesian product, if A and B are two non-empty sets, this is important. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-empty
Yes, ma'am.
sets, then we define the product set or Cartesian product A cross B as the set of ordered A comma B with A comes from capital A and B comes from capital B. Okay. Thus, A cross
Yes,
B
ma'am.
is the set of all ordered pairs A comma B. A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So now we had taken, so for example, हमने A is A, B, C and B is 2. So I'm writing A cross B. A cross B is equal to A1, B1, C1. Actually, you should not follow this kind of thing. You should follow first element of A and take its Cartesian products of B. So A1 and A2. This is the proper order. Not forget it. Okay, you will not
Yes,
forget to
ma'am.
list any elements. C1 and C2. Okay, what is? Can you tell me B cross A now? It is a pair. Cartesian
Ma'am,
product
it's
A
1
cross.
comma A,
1 comma
1
A.
comma B,
It's 1
1
comma
comma
A,
C,
2
2
comma
comma A,
A.
2
It
comma
is
B,
1
and 2
comma
comma
A.
C. Yes, ma'am.
1 comma B.
Yes. So cardinality of A cross B is equal to cardinality of B cross A. That is sure, na? Because multiplication is commuted, right? Product is always commuted. The answer is going to be 6. Number of elements will be same, but do you find A cross B is equal to B cross A?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, they are not. So in general, we should remember rotation product is not commutative. Okay, A cross B is not equal to B.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Finished writing?
No,
Huh?
ma'am. Just a second.
No,
The screen isn't
No, ma'am.
the screen was not visible, ma'am. Till now.
Visible. I will stop sharing and start sharing. See? Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It takes some time sometimes. Have you done it, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Just
ma'am.
You have to be very fast, girls. इतना time नहीं लगाना है.
yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, you can have product of the set with itself also. Huh? Means I have A is equal to A, B, C. Then I can have A cross A also, right? So it will be AB, AC, BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, CC. Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So usually when I say that I'm defining a relation on a set A, that means I'm defining the relation on A cross A. Okay, because relation is always considered between two parties, right? Have you understood this? So whenever
ma'am.
I am going to define a relation, now next we are going to relation. Okay. So when I'm not defining it on Cartesian product or different sets. When I say that I'm defining the relation on a set A, that means I'm defining A cross A. Okay. So next we will write the definition. Relation. Let A and B be non-empty sets. See, whatever I am doing for two sets, you can extend the same idea for number of sets. You can have 3 sets, 4 sets, etc. A relation. Use the letter R for relation, okay? A relation R from A to B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Okay? If R is a subset of and AB belong to R, how do we write this? How do we say this? We say that A is related to B by R, and it is written as A related to B. So you can use notation, you can use this notation as well. Both are same. Do you understand it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Finished writing? Have you understood what's a relation?
Yes, ma'am.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लिखेंगे जो हमने पहले सेट लिया था. एग्जाम्पल लेट ए हमने लिखा था ए बी सी एंड बी लिखा था हमने. तो ए क्रॉस बी क्या था हमारा? ए क्रॉस बी था A1 A2 B1 B2 C1. ओके, ये हमारा ए क्रॉस बी था. अभी इसमें से मैं सिर्फ आर चूज कर रही हूँ. ऐसे आई एम चूजिंग A1
मैम देखिए नहीं
B1
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
C2.
नहीं दिख रहा है.
फिर से नहीं दिख रहा है?
अभी दिख रहा है मैम.
यस मैम दिखा अभी.
अभी दिख रहा है.
A1 B1 and C2. I am choosing only these elements. I am choosing only A1 B1. I am picking. So can you say that R is a subset of A cross B here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And which elements are related under R?
A comma 1, B comma 1, and C comma 2.
C is so A is not related to 2, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Because A ने नहीं लिया है R में. Similarly, B is not related to 2 and C is not related to 1 by R. समझ में आ रहा है आपके? The elements which are present in R related to each other by R. The elements which are not present in R, they are not related to R. each other by R. Okay, so related and not related ऐसे लिखा जाता है को की सेट लिया मैंने कहा आपको, तो बी एंड ए दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे और ए की सेट पे भी हम रिलेशन डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. दूसरा एक एग्जाम्पल ले रही हूं मैं. लेट फाइंड ए में ले रही हूं 1 2 3 4 5 such that x related to y if and only if x is less than y, x and y both be. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
And y come from
Yes,
which
ma'am.
set? Both my x and y come from which set?
A set, ma'am.
A itself. A itself. So पहले तो
Yes, ma'am.
मेरा A क्या है, मैं A लिख रही हूँ 1 2 3 4 5. So what will be A cross A? How many elements will be there in A?
25.
Yes, 25. 5 into 5. So basically I'm defining R on A cross A. Okay. और R on A simply कहा तो इसका मतलब R A cross A पे ही डिफाइन हुआ है. So 1 1 1 2 up to 1 5, right?
5. Yes, ma'am.
2
2
1
1 2 2 up to 2 5.
2 5 सब कुछ आएगा यहाँ.
2 5.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
3
5
1
1 5 2.
5 2 up
Yes,
to
you
5
can
5.
just put down. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
So there are 25 elements in A cross.
25.
Yes, and what I am doing here, I am putting a condition. I will choose only those ordered pairs where the first element is
less
the
than
second
second element.
Yes. So which ordered pairs I should have? Therefore, what is R? R will have which ordered pairs? X is less than Y. The first element
Less than y.
should be less than second
One.
element. तो 1 comma 1 आएगा क्या उसमें?
No, ma'am.
No. So 1 comma
1 comma 2.
first element is
1
less
comma
than
3.
second element. 1 comma 4. 1 comma next
5. 2
1
comma
will be
3.
there.
No, ma'am.
2 3 2
2
4
4 2 5.
then
3 4
3 4
3 5.
3 5.
And
Then
4 5, ma'am.
And 4 5.
are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how a relation can be defined. Okay. So this is a very important relation. Basically, we can have A less equal B also, X less equal Y also relation. Okay. Under that, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 will also appear. Okay. But it's okay. We have taken this as an on the same set now. On the same set, I am defining another relation. Define R1. R1 on A as X related to Y if and only if X divides Y. This is X divides You must have been using this in paper 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So can you tell me the elements of R1? First element should divide the second element.
2. 1, 2.
1 comma 1 also, na? Every number divides itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Every number divides itself. So I will write 1 comma 1 also. And 1 divides every element. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 divides every element. So 1. हाँ, तो ये सब सारे एलिमेंट्स आएंगे. What about 2 now?
2, 4. 2, 2 and 2,
2
4.
comma 2 and 2 comma 4.
4.
Next.
3, 3. 3, that only, ma'am. That's it.
3,
That only. Then next. 4 comma 4.
4,
4, 4.
Comma
4,
5,
4,
5,
5,
5.
5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Sorry, girls. Okay, have you understood it? How to find the relation? So usually you will be given
Yes.
definitions like this, and from that you have to find out the relation like this. Okay? So based on
Ma'am?
this, now we have different types of the relations. हाँ.
मैम 3,6 नहीं आएगा
6 कहाँ है हमारे
6 है
पास?
ही नहीं
ये
इसका element.
मैंने यहाँ लिखा है.
1,6 लिया है
1 हमारा एलिमेंट्स 1 to 5 ही है ना.
हाँ इसलिए मैम मैंने पूछा
नहीं 1,6 गलती से लिखा मैंने.
ओके
Okay, so we have seen two different relations, mathematical one, है ना? एक में हमने लिया R में लिया हमने x लेस देन y और R1 में हमने लिया x डिवाइड्स y.
X divides Y.
Okay. Yes. Now next is okay. So we will define what is a domain and range. Okay, domain first we will define. Let R be a subset of Cartesian product. So you will always remember that relation is a subset of Cartesian product.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here from A to B. Okay. The domain of R is defined as the set of elements in A are related to some elements okay, and it is denoted by domain of okay, and domain of R is a subset of A. Okay, we will have one example of this, no problem. R का डोमेन चाहिए हमें, ओके? Finished writing, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is not
क्या रे स्क्रीन बार बार जा रहा है मेरा, फुल नेटवर्क में हूं मैं.
visible.
आपका नेटवर्क होगा. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी रेंज अगेन यू हैव टू कंसीडर दिस. हाँ, रेंज ऑफ आर हम लिख रहे हैं, रेंज ऑफ रिलेशन एंड डोमेन ऑफ रिलेशन. ओके, सो रेंज ऑफ आर is the set of elements in B that are second elements of pairs in R. That is, all elements in B that are related to elements in A. Element in A. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is denoted by range of R. This is not a universal notation, okay? Please, you can just write range directly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Screen is not visible now, ma'am. What you're writing?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अभी दिख रहा है क्या?
Visible.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे ये नेटवर्क इशू है बेटा. Finished writing?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, just a second.
We'll have example. We will have one example and then we will stop, girls. So CR Adi Renuna? CR?
Yes, ma'am.
So please take attendance and send me. Huh? Yes. So for example, अभी हमने जो लिया है, यहाँ पे एक example हमने लिया था. X divides Y ले लेते हैं. 1 2 3 5 पे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A is 1 2 3 4 5. And R is what? X related to Y if and only if X divides Y, X and Y both belong to A. Okay, so basically you are forming A cross A. From those 25 elements, you are finding out some elements some ordered pairs you are choosing which satisfy this relation. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. Then I have 1 4. Then I have 1 5. Okay. Then I have 2 2 and 2 4. Then I have 3 3, 4 4 and 5 5. Correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is domain of R here? Domain of R क्या है?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A, ma'am.
आपको हर एक ऑर्डर पेयर में देखना है कि पहला एलिमेंट कौन सा है. तो 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है और 5 भी है. सो ये हो गया डोमेन मेरा. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट ए शुड बी सेम एज डोमेन ऑफ आर. गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे आपका डोमेन और ए सेम आ रहा है, बट ऐसा नहीं है, कंपल्शन नहीं है. अगर मैं यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन ले लूँ, मैं ऐसा भी ले सकती हूँ. आर ऐसा भी लिख सकती हूँ मैं कि 3 1 4 1 5 1. तो इसका डोमेन क्या आ जाएगा? क्या होगा इसका डोमेन?
3, 4, 5.
1 3 4 5.
4, 5.
3 4 5. So in that case it will be a subset of A. You understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not necessary that your domain is same as the set A. And what is range of R?
1, 2,
B के elements
4 and 5.
2,
4 and
3,
5.
4 and 5. Because 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो हमें वो लेना ही पड़ेगा. Okay? Everyone is getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So आपका होमवर्क ये है. हमने जो एक एग्जाम्पल किया है आर का, ये वाला
Yes, ma'am.
होमवर्क. फाइंड डोमेन एंड रेंज. ओके, इसका हमने किया है ऑलरेडी. आपको ये करना है, डोमेन एंड रेंज. कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you have understood sets, Cartesian product, domain, range, how relation is a subset of the Cartesian product, cardinality of the set, etc. Okay.
Ma'am, please show previous slide. Slide number 6. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, now slide number 7. Done.
और एक टास्क देती हूं मैं. कंसीडर A. हाँ, A is A, B, C, D. Okay. Find all subsets of A. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Find all subsets of A. Yes. So I think we can stop here now.